Hi everyone, this is Yukti Belwal and this is your channel where you get all the information about studying MBBS abroad. In the last video, we covered about how to study MBBS in USA, and this video is about how to study MBBS in Germany. So you'll come across a lot of things, lot of phrases, lot of words which are used in German medical system, German education system, and you will understand how and what things you have to do. If you need, you can just take a pen and paper and note it down for your understanding. So Germany is a very desirable country where anyone would like to pursue not only just medical but so many other things like economics or maybe engineering, maybe technological things, humanities, and so many more. But one should understand that Germany is very strict and adamant about their language, and it really requires you to learn German language before you even think about studying MBBS in Germany. So in this video, we're going to cover the aspects of how to study MBBS in Germany. What are the things you require? What are the eligibility criteria? What are the tuition fee structure in case you don't get a seat where you can have free tuition fees, like studying MBBS free in Germany? Then what are the things? Also, we'll pick up the concept, the names, the phrases which are used when you talk about studying MBBS in Germany. Before I start anything, I would like to tell you about the eligibility criteria for applying in medical school or the education system of Germany. There is no concept of best 4 marks in Germany. So all the 6 subjects marks are totally checked whether they are above 85, 90, 95% or not. So you are eligible to get admission, or you should think that you are eligible to get admission in German medical college only if your percentage is above 85% in 12th aggregate of all the 6 subjects. So the first thing first, yes, the education in Germany is free of cost, but there is a star on the statement which most of the information givers do not put. And why they don't put, I don't have any information about that, but because you are on this channel now, you will know what terms and conditions apply when you say the tuition fee or studying MBBS in Germany is free. First thing first, again, there is no MBBS concept, there is MBBS plus MD, which you clear in a 6 plus 1 year there. So it will be ideal if you start from 10th or 11th to start learning German language, in case you are at that level as you watch this video. If you've already passed that thing and you are now looking for admission, then you have to spend 1 more year or 1.5 year to learn this language and reach up to this level. So basically, when I am gonna explain you this, that we study 10 plus 2 in India. However, in Germany, it's 10 plus 3. So there's a need of this gap to be fulfilled, which you fulfill there when you go there and study in student college. To take admission in student college, you have to apply for an invitation test, which is called, pardon my pronunciation, Aufnahmeprüfung. So basically, it's an invitation test for student college. So what is student college? It's basically a gap year which Indians have to fulfill to be equivalent to German Abitur, German education system. So you have to come to a level. For example, if you apply to any university for your course, they will see your marks, your studies, and they will say that no, you are not up to the mark. There's a gap of 1 year. So please first of all take admission for student college. You will be asked for an invitation test, which is called Aufnahmeprüfung. After you give this invitation test, they will see whether you are okay to get admission in student college or not. If you will be, you will be given an invitation and you will be called there in Germany to fulfill this gap. So now there are many pros and cons also, and many glitches also when you are gonna take admission in student college. The first thing is the ratio between the places and the student is 20:1000. So there are 20 places and there can be 1000 applications for the same. So you really have to have a good test and good marks in that examination to get a place in the student college. There are 5 types of courses which are taught in student college. So basically there's M course, which is for medical. There's T course, which is for technical courses, if you want to go for any technical courses there. There's G course for arts and humanities. There's W course or V course as they pronounce for economics. And there's S course for philology. So there are so many courses. So of course if you want to go for medical, then you will be choosing M course in student college. So in this you will be taught German language, physics, chemistry and biology. So these 4 subjects will be your subjects while you studying in student college. At the end of your college you have to give an examination which is called Feststellungsprüfung. So it's a final test, and if you clear that, so what will happen, your GPA of this examination that you have given plus GPA of your 12th mark sheet will be calculated, and the aggregate will be your actual aggregate which is required for you to take admission in medical college. If it be lesser than the GPA of others, so you might not get a chance to take admission in medical college. If you have, then definitely you will get a position there. That's why the 12 mark sheets and 12 marks are very important for you to get into a German medical college. I don't want to demotivate you, but they have the ratio and a preference to take up the students. They only take 5% of non-EU citizens. So basically the chances to get into a medical college is very low there in German medical college. So basically first thing, you have to have German language proficiency up to B2 level. Then you have to give an entrance examination to get into student college. Then you have to give an examination when you come out of student college, and according to your GPA in that examination and your GPA of 12, you will be eligible or not eligible to enter into medical college. So as I told you, there's a terms and conditions. So to get into a German medical college, if you have really good marks, then you will be able to get a seat where you don't have to pay anything, no tuition fees. So your studies will be free, but it totally depends on your capabilities and your competence, your marks, your hard work there. Otherwise, no, you might have to pay. If in case you get admission in the private medical college, the fee structure is $6,700 per semester, which comes approximately 5 lakh rupees per semester and 10 lakh rupees per year. No doubt that German healthcare has state-of-the-art infrastructure and very high level of equipments, and the hospitals are there. With each university there is an associated hospital with the same name where you can do your clinical practice. There are the opportunities to enter into the German medical college may be less, but after you successfully clear that everything, the payout is very good, and of course the standard of living in Germany is really, really nice and very encouraging also to go through all this. So the verdict is, getting into Germany and getting into German medical college sounds a bit hard, but that's why the level of studies and the level of respect for this thing is also very high accordingly. In case you need any kind of assistance and you want to study in Germany, you may contact us, because we have our contacts in Heidelberg University of Germany, and we can help you in taking admission there. For the students who are already studying abroad in countries like Russia, Ukraine, China, Belarus, Philippines, Georgia, most of the students from here go to pursue their PG in Germany, and the process is much more easier than that of studying MBBS in Germany, because you're totally naive in the abroad education. Then definitely your struggle becomes a bit higher and extra. The process, however, to do PG in Germany is much more easier than that of doing MBBS in Germany. In my next video, I would like to cover this thing of how to do PG in Germany, and I hope through this video you got to know that what is actual process of getting admission in Germany for medical. And in case you have any other queries, please comment down below. I will definitely answer all of them. Also, any other topic you want me to cover, that also you can mention over here. If some concept you couldn't understand, that also you can mention over there. So this was about MBBS in Germany. It's a bit easier than doing MBBS in USA, but it's a bit difficult than doing MBBS in countries like Russia, Ukraine, China. Very, very different than that of doing there. Also, be ready to be very well versed in German language. You have to make German language your second language if you want to study in Germany. So you really have to love the language. Start studying right now. Enroll yourself for that, and definitely you can study in Germany. That's not a problem. That's it for today's topic. Thank you so much, and do subscribe my channel and give this video a thumbs up.